Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. As you must have already gone through the title of this video, it's going to be everything about rice water. Now, rice water was always thought to promote beautiful skin and healthy hair. The earliest known use of it was 1,000 years ago in Japan, and right now the benefits of rice water are famous in the whole wide world. For achieving this miracle water, all you have to do is soak rice in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes, strain out the starchy water and store it in a container. Rice water is an amazing acne treatment, so while it acts as an astringent, it will reduce the redness or the blemishes or any sort of inflammation that it has on the skin, and it will also prevent the occurrence of breakouts. Rice water helps in skin lightening. When you apply it onto your skin, it helps in much more brighter and more radiant looking skin. It also acts as a natural toner, so it not only shrinks and reduces the pores, but it also gives the appearance of a much more even and smoother skin. Now, there are 2 ways that you can apply it. You can either pour a little bit of rice water onto a cotton pad and just gently rub it all over your facial skin, or you can just transfer it into a spray bottle and spritz it onto your face and let it dry naturally. So these are the 2 ways to achieve the maximum benefits of rice water. While rice water is super beneficial for the skin, it is also amazing for the hair. Hair rinsing with rice water is something that will not only make your hair shiny, but it will make them very strong, very healthy and luscious. Once you're done with your shampoo and conditioner routine, just take some rice water and rinse your hair with it. Just massage the scalp and let it soak within the roots, and then just rinse off your hair with normal water. So try these techniques with rice water. It is super easy and it's wonderful. It's a miracle water. So just try it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you super soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.